Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 keys to success with Facebook's app install ads. So I've ran campaigns, Facebook advertising campaigns designed to generate app downloads and app installs for a number of different companies, and Facebook's a fantastic place to go after app installs. The targeting options are really specific, the platform lends itself really well to that sort of advertising, and I've been able to generate app installs for as low as $1.50 each, and that's in really expensive markets. That's in sort of European, North America markets, usually cost quite a lot to advertise on Facebook and consistently across multiple campaigns. So okay, let's get into it. So the 3 keys to success. The first one is to use the app installs campaign objective. So Facebook have a specific campaign objective that's designed to help you generate installs of your app. And when you select a campaign objective, you're basically saying to Facebook, this is what I want from my campaign, which is really important because Facebook's advertising algorithms, they'll go in and they'll analyze the people within your target audience, and they'll work out who is most likely to download this app based on sort of all the data they've got on them. So make sure you select the right campaign objective. A couple of things that I've seen with this is I've worked with companies before that have sent people that they want to use their app to their website first, and the logic behind that was, we'll send them to our website, the website's got loads of information about how the app works, etc, etc. You don't want to do that. With the app installs ad objective, users are sent directly from Facebook to the location where they can download the app, so App Store, Google Play Store, whatever it is. And it's sort of a rule in digital marketing that you want to make things as easy as possible for people, because if you do, more people are going to do it. If you have that extra step in there of taking people to your website first, you're going to see drop-off rates, and it's going to cost you more per app install. So definitely use that objective, and the same applies with video. That's the other thing I've seen with this. If you're using a video to advertise your app, which is great, by the way, I'm going to get onto that in a minute, don't use the video views campaign objective. That's something I've seen. You still want to use app installs. That's going to get you the lowest cost per app install, which is, of course, what you want from your app install ads. So that's key to success number 1. Number 2 is to use lookalike audiences when you're targeting people. So for those who don't know, lookalike audiences are it's a targeting option within Facebook that consists of a group of people that are very similar to another group of people. And this is fantastic for us Facebook advertisers. For example, you can upload a list of existing customers, or in your case, app users, and you can say to Facebook, look, this is my source audience, create me a lookalike audience from this source audience, and then Facebook will generate an audience within the countries that you want to target of people that are very similar to your existing app users. And this is a fantastic targeting option. Facebook have got tons of data on their users, and they can really accurately work out, okay, we've worked out that men this age or women this age that are interested in these 3 things are really likely to use this app and be interested in this app. Therefore, that's who we're going to put it in front of. That's who's going to get the best results. So we found that when we've run various different targeting options, people who might be interested in the industry, other cold audience targeting options, lookalike audiences consistently perform the best. Now, you do need to have 100 app users. You need 100 people in your source audience to be able to create a lookalike audience. But for most mobile apps or desktop apps, that's not going to take very long. If you want to grow, you're going to hit 100 very, very quickly. So as soon as you've got to that 100 mark, look to include lookalike audiences. Okay, then number 3 is that video ads are better than image ads. Now, this is basically true across Facebook as a platform. Videos are much more engaging form of media. When videos show up in people's news feeds, either on their desktop or on their mobile, it's going to grab people's attention a lot more. There's going to be, even though it starts on silent, there's movement that's going to grab people's eye, as opposed to regular image ads. It's also a really good way of getting over, of explaining what your app does, how it works, and why these people might want to use it. You can probably convey, in a minute-long video or a 90-second video, a lot of what your app does and the benefits of using it. It's a lot easier to do that than trying to convince people to read a lot of text in an image ad, or try and get that message across with a straight-up image. So if you can use video instead of image, they can be a little bit more difficult to create, but those ads are likely to perform much better. I really like demonstration videos for apps specifically. So if it's appropriate for your app, then that could work really, really well. Show it being used, show how it works, what it does, that sort of stuff. That can work really well. And a bonus tip is to target the friends of your page likes. So we've already talked about lookalike audiences as being a really good targeting option to use when you're advertising an app on Facebook. But another one is the friends of your page likes, and I'll explain why. So the vast majority of your page likes, if you've got a specific Facebook page for your app, is likely to be people that use the app, at least people that have it downloaded, and installed on their device. And when you advertise to friends of page likes, it will show people that their friend likes your page in that ad. So let's say, for example, I like, app.com as a company. I like their Facebook page on Facebook. If you were to advertise to my friends on Facebook, an ad for app.com, it will say at the top of the ad, Ben Heath likes app.com. And that acts as a bit of social proof, like a mini endorsement from me to those people that this app is worth checking out, worth testing, maybe even worth using. That works really, really well, particularly if your app has a social element or there's user interaction. If people can see that their friend likes your page, which probably means that they use the app, that's really going to help drive app installs and drive engagement. So what we found when we tested this is that they didn't generate as cheap a cost per app install as the lookalike audiences did, but the engagement from that campaign, that targeting option, was really, really good, because people can see that their friends use the app. They might go on and ask their friend about it and use it a bit more, and it carries that weight because of that small amount of social proof. So if you are looking to scale up your campaigns, you want to go beyond lookalike audiences, definitely look to target friends of page likes. So that's something I would recommend. Okay, before you go, I'd love to know which one of these 4 keys to success you're going to implement first. So are you going to create a lookalike audience and start advertising to those people? Are you going to try and record a video ad for your app? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you'll get more really high quality Facebook advertising content just like this. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.